Hello and good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all YouTube friends all around the world according to your time zone. It's me Arjun. Today video is all about web server installation, particularly on XAMPP for local machine to develop web application based on PHP and MySQL. Let me talk a little bit about XAMPP. XAMPP is a popular deployment environment for PHP, which is free and open source cross-platform web server available across any OS like Windows, Linux, OS X. It contains PHP, Perl, MySQL, MariaDB on a local web server and allow extremely easy way for developer to create a web application for testing to deployment purpose. PHP MyAdmin is another handy GUI tool for working with MySQL database. Moreover, XAMPP provides a Bitnami module which enables environment tool to install apps like WordPress, Drupal, Joomla, Magento and others which are of course based on PHP. Okay, let me download and install either Google or directly go to apachefriend.org, their official website. As I mentioned before, you can select a required button according to your platform. It's available on Windows, Linux, OS X. Let me download for Windows and save a file. It's going to download. It takes some time, friend. I will come back when it will complete. Okay friend, my download is completed now. I'm going to open its definitely on my download folder here. Double click on it. Window, just click next, and from this option you can select according to your requirement. I prefer to select Apache, MySQL and FileZilla for file transfer protocol. Mail server, if you need Tomcat you can check the box. PHP, Perl, PHP MyAdmin. I prefer to select this PHP MyAdmin, PHP, FileZilla, MySQL and Apache, or if you want to select all of them you can, and just click on next button and select the location where you want to install XAMPP. It's okay for me. Or if you don't want to install on the default location you can change from here. Then next, which language you prefer, English is okay, next. And Bitnami for XAMPP, actually it provides module which enables environment tool to install app like WordPress, Drupal, Joomla, Magento. So you can check or uncheck according to your requirement. Then next, I don't need this website, you can simply close it or just minimize. Setup is now ready to being installed XAMPP on your computer. Next, now it's preparing and unpacking files to install. It takes some time to install. It is almost going to finish, friend. Great, completing the XAMPP setup wizard. Do you want to start the control panel now? After the XAMPP installation completion you can finish it and start. This is the XAMPP control panel. Start or stop the action. You can start from this button by clicking here start. And if you need MySQL, start that one. If you need other features, FileZilla or Mercury or Tomcat. But for the PHP development and MySQL database, you can use you can only start those two options. And this cell you can directly work with the help of command from this little icon here, from this command prompt as well. And to stop, you can just click here. It's already started. Let me check. Just go to the localhost. Yes, great, it's ready to use now. And if you want to do something on the database with the help of PHP MyAdmin, which is another handy GUI tool for working with MySQL database, just type localhost /php myadmin and that's hit enter. You'll get the screen, the window to work with the database directly here with a graphical user interface. Just create the database. You can provide the name on database name on this text box and create. And after that, definitely I will create more video related to MySQL on future video. Hope this video is useful for you. If you have any question or suggestion, do comment on the comment box below and give little poke on the subscribe bell and like button. Thank you, friend.